Hello everyone. In this class, we will discuss about a few interesting topics, and these are very fundamental in the field of mathematics. So, we'll start with understanding of what are digits and what are numbers, and we'll just try to understand the difference between the digits and numbers and how the numbers are made and that stuff, and then we will understand the meanings of digit values and place values. What is a digit value and what is a place value, and given a number, and we should be able to find out what is the place value of any digit, so that we will understand. Then we will also discuss about making a place value chart. We'll understand what's a place value chart, and we'll try to prepare a place value chart for any given number. And and after that, we will discuss about three different forms of a given number, of any number. So numbers can be written using three different forms. They're called standard form, expanded form, and word form. So in the outside world, I think it is the expanded form is not that much used, but like we would be using standard form and word forms in our day-to-day life. So given a number in any of this form, we should be able to write the other two forms. That is the expectation from this exercise. So we will cover all these concepts as part of this class. So let's start with the digits and numbers. So what is a digit and what is a number? So before understanding the digit and number, I'll just give one simple example. So when we are studying in our kindergarten or so, we would have studied all the alphabets in English, right? So what are the different how many alphabets are there in English? I think we know, right? It is 26. So we just have 26 alphabets, right, in English. The English alphabet has got 26 alphabets. We know it's just 26 letters. But how many words you can make using this alphabet? So many words are there, many words. The big dictionaries are there to just give the meanings of that each word, right? So there are like many words. And for example, and these are the few words I'm just giving as an example, but like it could be, even you could write some bigger, like how many letters are there inside this 9 letter word. Why I'm giving this example is like I will shortly tell the importance of it. It is a 9 letter word, and similarly you can even write the bigger words. mm, what is the other bigger word? Yeah, you can actually write many other words. So similar, just to see here, using 26 letters you can just produce hundreds of words. If you compare this analogy to our math world, you could easily sense what is a digit and what is a number. If you just consider this into our regular math world, we just have digits, just 10 digits, which are called 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are just these are just called the digits in the math world. These are digits. digits, and numbers are made up of the digits. Numbers are made up of the digits. Like you can just write down any number using any combination of digits and any number of digits. The number can be of any number of digit number, right? You can just be, I'll just give you an example. So we discussed, these are the words, sorry, these are the digits, just like your alphabet English. And you can make any number using these digits, just like how in English we write words using the alphabet. Similarly, the numbers can be made up of the digits. So as we said in English, say for example, a word me, me is of two letter alphabet, right? A two letter word. Similarly, we have seen some words having four letters, five letters, six letters or so, right? Similarly, the number can have any number of digits. So I can choose a single digit and call this is a number. This is one digit number. Similarly, if I take out two digits, it is a two digit number. And I said, right, any combination of digits. If, see, like now, it is, this number is having only fives, right? Fives are taken out three times and this number is made. It is a three digit number. It is a three digit number. Similarly, you can have any number having any number of digits. Say for example, 2, 6, 7, 8, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 7, 8, 6, 4, 8. This is a big number. You can make it any number having any number of digits. Let's see how many digits are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It is a 16 digit number. So we understood what are digits. Digits are just ranging from 0 to 9. These are the which we use it to count the things, right? So from 0 to 9, these are the different mm, the digits are available in our math field, and numbers are made up of digits. And number can be of any digit number or any combination of digits you can select to make up that number. You can just compare this with your English alphabets and words. So digits are equivalent to your English alphabet, and numbers are equivalent to your English words. So understanding this understanding of digit and numbers, let's move on to the digit value, and let's understand about digit value and place value. We just discussed, right? The digits are from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and all the way 9. Numbers can be made up of the digits. So I'm just writing a number with two digit, 43. So it's a two digit number. Now will let us understand the concept of digit value and the place value. So the number 43 is a two digit number. If I interchange the digits in this number, it forms a different number. Now it is 34. Though we use the same digits, we can if these numbers are formed, um, and this is like the place in which the number is sits actually makes the distinction of the, I mean, like the difference in the number. So the digit value is the value of the digit, and it never changes. It just the value of any digit wherever it is, it will be the same, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wherever in whatever the number it is, the digit value is always same exactly every time. And the digit value sometimes is also called as the face value of that number. That's it. In the place value is the value based on its place. For example, let us understand the how the numbers are there, right? So when a number is formed, 343, I think we all know there are three digits in this number, and each there is a different place in this number, right? This is units place, and this is tens place, and this is hundreds place. So there are different place values are there for each digit. So now if the digit is present in the units place, then the place value of 3 is 3 because it is in the units place. And if the digit is in the tens place, for example, the digit place of the place value of 4 in this number, it is 40 because 4 is present in the place value for 4 is 40 because 4 is present in tens place. There are two threes. First, the leftmost 3 is present in the hundreds place, and its place value is 300 because it is present in the hundreds place. This is 300. So the place value changes based on the place where the number is present in the based on its place in the number. So we understood what is a digit and what is the digit value and place value. We will just reiterate what we just explored in last few minutes. So the digit value or face value is fixed wherever the digit is present, whatever the place the digit is present anywhere. So the digit value is always fixed and it never changes. The digit values are from 0 to 9, and it should have any, like say for example 4 is present anywhere in the number. If I ask the what is the digit or face value of 4, it is always 4. Secondly, the place value based on the place inside the number, the place value changes, and the place value of a digit is found based on its place in the number. For example, we just gave a different example here. Let us just take another example, 546, or I can make it as 5469. And with increasing in the digit, the place values goes up, right? This is a 4-digit number. Let's understand the digit value and place value for 5. So 5, the digit value of 5 in this number, the digit value is always same and it doesn't change. So wherever it is, if it is in this place or this place or this place, anywhere, the digit value is always 5. And the next one, place value, check in which place the 5 sits. So if you, for checking the place value, we have to count from the right to left. So this is the units place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, and this is thousands place. So 5 is present in the thousands place, so the place value is 5000. Hope this is clear, right? So understanding the place value and digit place values, uh, place value can be easily understood if you prepare a place value chart. So place value charts are something, a chart is made based on the place values. So this is we can represent the whole number in a place value chart. For example, consider a number 328. So the chart is, you can make just like a chart in this format. There are three digits here, right? Just the chart contains three digits. So when you're writing the places, right, so it is from right to left, from right to left, yeah. So it is ones place or units place, and it is tens place. This is the basic template how you make the place value chart. And this is hundreds place. What's present in ones place? 8, 2, 3. Now you need not count manually which place it is and all. If this chart is made for any number, if I ask for the place value, you can immediately just look for the particular column and say place value of 3 is, it is in hundreds place, the place value is 300. So the place value can be made for any bigger number, and it is just these charts are very helpful in finding the place values. Even these charts, right, are very helpful when you are going with the, when you are trying to learn the basic concept of addition, subtract, how the additions and subtractions, the carry over, like uh, and also when we are writing the standard form, expanded form, and when we are writing the expanded form and word form for any standard form of a number, this place value charts would be highly helpful. So let's take another bigger number and see how we can make up the place value chart for that. So for example, consider the number, so it is a 7-digit number. So sometimes we may go lost, like if I ask for the what is the place value for 8, right? Sometimes when we're counting, maybe we may lost, right? If I make up the place value chart for this number, we would always, it will be always accurate when providing the answer. So there are 7-digit number. Make a chart with 7 sections: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From the right to left, just keep writing the places. It is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s, 100,000, and million. So now write the number in this chart, taking each digit and properly placing into corresponding block in this chart. So 9 is placed from, just write the number from left to right: 9, 8, 0, 7, 2, 3, 6. So if I ask for place value of any digit in this number, you can easily right away, you need not calculate. Say for example, if I ask you for 8 or 3 or 2, you could previously, when you are having a number without having the chart, you need to calculate every time which place the number sits in, right? Here you can actually start writing the place value for 8 is equal to 800,000. Place value for 7 is equal to 7,000. You can straight away write all the place values for any number. So to reiterate the concept that we discussed now, the digit value and place value. The digit value is fixed and never changes. We know what are all the different digit values can be there. The digit value will be always from 0 to 9. The digit value is always fixed and it never changes. It's from 0 to 9. When it comes to the place value, the value, it changes, and it depends on the place of the digit inside the number. Depends on the place of the digit in the number, the second point. And the third point is it just varies, right? It's not a fixed value. So we discussed about the digit values and place values. Then we went on creating a place value chart for a number. Any bigger number you give, you can actually prepare the place value chart so that the place values can be easily um, found out using the place value charts. Now, as I said earlier, for any number, there are three different forms. I can just represent them in the triangular form. So, given a number 436, this number can be represented in three different forms, or it can be written in three different forms: standard form, standard form, expanded form, and word form. So, standard form is the regular way how you write the numbers. So this is just the number itself, the 436 itself is in the standard form. So I just write standard form is 436. So there are three different forms how you write the numbers, right? Standard form, word form, and expanded form. So every time while we are doing calculation in mathematics, or when we are writing some number anywhere in our book, or anywhere in the real world, right? We always write the numbers in the standard form. So you see all the mile boards, or anywhere on the road, right? Everything would be in the standard form, right? So the regular way how you write the number is in the standard form. Then what are expanded form, and what is the word form? So we just learned about the place values, right? It is a expanded form is a way to write the number by adding the place value of its digits. So for example, 436 is the number and 436 is in the standard form. The expanded form we have to write by adding the place values of all the digits, all the digits. So 430 expanded form for 436 is, so the place value of 4 is 400, then plus place value of 3 is 30, plus place value of 6 is 6. So if we have to write in this form for the expanded form, so mostly this I don't know, I'm not really sure like where in the real world this form is being used, but like expanded form, there could be a reason why they would have named this, but like this is the adding the place values of all the digits, right? The third one is the word form. The word form, actually you write the whole number in the words. So it is like when I'm reading it, I just read that as 436. We have to write the same way. That is the real in English words. However you read that number, you have to write that number in the real English words. For example, I read that number as 436. This is the way you write that number in the word form. So these are the three different forms how you write the numbers. Let's starting with the standard form. It is a regular way how you write the number. The second is the expanded form. It is just adding up all the place values of the digits. The word form is writing the number in English words. However you read that number, you have to write that same in the English words. So let's take an example and try to prepare the place value chart. And using the place value chart, we'll try to write all the different forms. Maybe there could be questions given any kind of form, you should be able to get the other two different forms. So let's just start with an example. A 5 digit number. This is a 5 digit number, and we have to write all the three different forms for this number. So as I said, right, the place value charts are helpful for getting the place values and clearly understand that number. Let's make a place value chart for this. So it is having 5 digit. So the chart should have 5 blocks, and name the blocks from right to left. So it is ones place, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Just fill up the number. So now the place value chart is made. And what are the different forms? The first one is standard form. Standard form is the regular way how you write the number. It is same as whatever is given. It is 54,678. And expanded form, as we said, it is the sum of, it is written by adding up all the place values of the digits. So you have to add the place value of 5 is 50,000, the place value of 4 is 1000, 4,000, place value of 100 is 600, place value of 10 is 70, place value of 8 is 8. So this is the expanded form for the given number. And the word form is just like writing in your English words, just how you read that number, right? 54,678. You have to write that in the real English words. 54,678. So you see here 1,000, 100, however you are reading that number, right? Based on that, you have to write the number. So I wanted to give an example where the word forms are used in the real world. So if you if you see how whenever your parents are filling up the check, right? So to get the cash from the bank, they just fill up a check and they just give the check to the bank, and the bank would give the money back. So whenever they're filling up the check, or like it's other case, like say if whenever you want to pay money to a different person, and you would write him a check. So the check would have two main boxes where you fill up the number. The one box you write the amount in the standard form, say 123. So this is the amount that you are paying him. So 123, and the check would also have a word form, like it would also have a place where you have to fill that with the uh, with a word form. This is written as it has all the payee name, other details, date and other stuff, but I'm just mainly focusing on the digit and the places where you write the actual amount to be get paid. So the first one is this is the standard form. The word form is you just write it as 123. How do you, why do you need to write this? Because like to have, like say you just, this just like only one place, you can actually fake it up, right? You can just, a person can easily add some number here, but like when it is there in the word form, it's difficult to write in two places, because like your handwriting is there here, and it's not easy to cheat on something. That could be the reason why they would have provided the two places, one place for the standard form and the other place for the word form. This is the one important place where I see the word form, and there could be some other places where the word forms are also mandatory to write the numbers. So, to conclude this section, so we started our lesson understanding the digits and numbers, and then we moved on to understanding the digit value and place value. The digit value never changes, but the place value changes and depends on the place the digit sits in the number. And then we went on to understand the place value charts. We prepared place value chart for a given number, and then we have seen the three different forms of a number. So, given any number, we should be able to prepare the three different forms. The starting with the standard form, that is the regular form how you write the number, and the second one is the expanded form where it is written as adding up all the place values in a number, and the third is the word form, which is written your English words.